Hi, this is Epic Designer. In this tutorial, I will tell you 5 cool tips that makes Revit more easier to use. But before I get started, I would just ask you to like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I have already opened one project file, actually two project files to show you guys these tips, how it's worked. So my first tip is user interface, the shortcut keys. So for that, just go to the view, and you can select this user interface, and you can select this keyboard shortcut keys. And so this is keyboard shortcut, so you can create your own keys for your own commands. Means if you want to draw a line, so there is by default line shortcut key is DL. If you want that to be a DD or SD, so you can assign that also. Let's try it with the delete. So delete is okay, so DE and E. So the delete command I have assigned already two. Also the default is DE. So I wanted to be it's more simpler or easier. So I have assigned the key to number key. So if you select to delete, and you go here, and if you put the 3, so assign that. The shortcut is currently assigned to the commanded delete. Okay, so it is already assigned with other any other. So just try it 4. Okay, so it is 4 number key. So click OK. So if you select something, let's select this one, and press the 4, so it is deleted. So I don't want to delete this, so I'll control Z to get it back. Okay, so this was my first tip. So you can go to the shortcut keys, and you can assign any key that you want to be assigned for you want to assign for that command, and that will be more easier for you to use. So because DE is the two numbers, and some people use the delete button on the keyboard, so they have to take their hand all the way to the other side of the keyboard to press the delete. So they can use the same on the left hand side, they can use any nearest key to delete the command. Or you can assign any of your favorite key to any of your command. So by this you can play with that these things. And okay, that's it. Okay, so my next is transfer the project standards. So this is the standards. If you have created one project, and you have created any standards in that project, so in next project you don't have to create the standard again. So you can just go to the manage, and go to the manage, and so you will find a transfer project standard options there. So this is all the standard you have in your project file. In previous project file you have already created that. So I have opened that in this file. This file is my old project standard, and I don't have any project standard in this file, which I have already created in the other file. So what I will do, I will check none, and I will select the standard which I want in this file also. Let me show you, just show you the lines. See, I have selected the lines, and these are very less lines. Okay, so I don't have the lines which I've already created in the other project. If I don't want to use that line, I have to create that lines again in this project. But that is more easier if you transfer that lines from other project to this project. So for that we will go to the manage, and transfer project, and check none. Just type the L. So find the line styles. This is a line style is a standard. So if I select the line style and click OK. Okay, just go to the DL line, and just check now. see now there is all the lines which I've created in other project is now be here in this project. So I can use any line which I've already created in the other project, and without creating in this project I can use that lines. Okay, so my next tip is purge unused item. So go to the view again, manage again, and there is a command that is purge unused. So purge unused, so it is the command you can delete all the unused items which is in your project, but it is not used in the model space or in the project. So you can just click OK to unpurge them. To purge them, to for unused item will be deleted from this project file, and your project file will be more lighter than it was. Okay, my next tip is link the Revit. So link the Revit is this is go to the insert. Okay, link Revit, and you will select the file which you want to link with this project. So that should also be the Revit file, of course. So go to my PC and go to the downloads, wherever you want, place that file. So I'm gonna select this file and link that. So if that is related to your project, if it is a part of the same project, but you have split it into two parts and you want that also in this project, um, and you don't want that all items to be shown in the schedule without editing the schedule, so you can then use this link Revit command. So select this origin to origin and click open, so that file will be on the same place where it was before splitting the project. So let's yeah, it's doing. Okay, it is scanned. So this is the link Revit. So see, I have select one item here. I can select one item here, and this is a link. So I can select whole thing as a link. So you can link. This is the part of other project which I have link here. I'll show you while sketching the section. Okay, so this is the link file. So mm, mm, this is the link file. This you can use it. So if it is a linked file and this is not, this will look similar like to the other file, so it seems like the part of the project. If you want it to be a half a tone, or it should look like underlay, so you can go to the visibility graphic settings and Revit links, and you can half a tone here, click apply, so it will be dull and all other will be dark. So, and there is one more command, Revit link. So underlay is also the same thing, but if you are taking the plan, and if you are looking from the top view, so it will be underlay even if it is on the top of the file, of the plan. It will go under that all stuff, so it will look like that is in under that all things. So that's it. mm, just unselect this. Okay, so it is gone. So I will delete this. Okay, so delete, so it will always ask you are removing the link, so we will remove that. Okay, the next is revision clouds. Go to the plan view and see, go to the annotation. So there is, you have a revision cloud here. Mostly we are using if we are revise the drawing. So we use this command. So let's say we have revised something here and we are going to put this here. So now it's look nicer, but even if it is, let's go to the view and let's make it 30. Okay, so it is not look nicer in the scale, and it is very weird and look, no, drawing is not looking nice because of this. So for this scale we are using that I have actually done already. Go to the revision and go to here, and you can scale it down by giving the smaller number, let's say 2. So we will apply, click OK. So it is smaller now, and it is more nicer than the old setting. Okay, so one more tip I have, and that is actually for the Revit to look how you are looking at. That is that is the background color of the Revit. So some people use that in white, and some people wants to use in the dark mode. But it's actually not a totally dark mode, but it just got the model space or working space dark. See, this way we can get our model space in the black color, and all our sketch and all our items drawn walls and extrusion will be in white color. So for that we are using file, go to the option, and uh, select graphics, and you can change the color from here. I'll go back to the white color, click OK, click OK. Yes. Okay, so this is it for now for this video. I'll see you in next video.